that one been there a long while?
There's bees. So this was a swarm from my hive that was marked white from one of them nukes
Oh yeah.
when we moved into the big hive.
Yeah.
So that's the history
When
of
you
this one.
found the queen, she was already marked white.
And that came from the hive at yours.
Yeah.
So, and then because I had in the nuke, and obviously I transferred her into hair. So we'll see what she's.
So she like a better hair than that, mine. She ain't swarmed.
Well, I don't know yet. You say you don't know, do you? They might supersede you, though. You don't. Oh, that's good. Live bees in that one as well. So that's looking all pretty good, I've got to say. So I shook out 2 hives. So I had another one there, down there. You can see where it stands there.
Oh yeah.
So the hive there and a hive here.
So what happened to them hives then?
They both turned drone layers.
Oh right.
So I shook them both out in front of these hives to boost these numbers.
Oh right.
So when I stored the frames, there's nothing wrong with them obviously, so I just stored them there. And there is another clearer board. I've got 3 clear boards, good. We'll see what these have done. I mean, it's not overly busy.
No.
There's a dead wasp laying on 4 outside. So clearly they've been here as well, haven't they? Right, let's have a look. See what we find. So anyway, have a look. Well, that's always a good sign when they're up in the super.
Maybe they're just all flying about.
I'm hoping they've filled some of the super, that'd be nice.
Looks like it.
Some there, don't we? I thought she'd do a bit better though, if I'm honest, this one. She hasn't really got into full swing, I don't think.
Yeah, no.
But you know, that's what it is.
In a way, as long as you've got a queen to overwinter them with, you can always change it in the spring, can't you?
Well, I mean, it's
or add a swarm to them, you could, couldn't you?
Yeah.
You've got a small swarm.
I mean, there's plenty of bees here, isn't there?
Yeah.
So, you know, there's
so
enough
they're healthy, aren't they?
So there's, you know, they are bringing some stuff, aren't they?
Yeah.
Balance cap as well.
But like you say, you've got to be careful that you don't make too much room so they struggle to defend it.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to clear. Actually, there's... So this one ain't got a queen excluder because she was refusing to go up.
Yeah.
So I now see some... I think I now see some brood here. There you go. So she has come up to lay up in this bit.
Yeah. Which ain't really a good thing, is it?
That's all right. So I'm going to overwinter this. So I'll feed them and they can overwinter on the whole lot.
Yeah.
It's not a problem.
Well, that should make them stronger in the spring in the way, shouldn't it?
Yeah, that's not going to... You know, what I can do is I can go through this and just make sure she's not up here, then put the queen excluder down.
Oh, that's true. The bees will go through and
And then they'll hatch out in the next 10, 15 days. Because she didn't really lay too much up, so I make me wonder if I might do that. Let's have a look anyway. So to fill this one up, well, honey, so let's keep an eye for a queen.
maybe she's just filled up down the bottom, you don't know.
Yeah, so I will put a queen excluder. What I'm going to do is take this off. See what she's doing down below. Lovely. Right, let's see what she's doing. So we find her down there then. Try to give her a blast for you. That's it, that'll do. So we can scrape a bit of that off.
No honey in it.
Nah. So they're all on the frames anyway, aren't they?
Oh yeah.
So,
They are quite more healthy than what you think, really.
so let's see what they're doing. I just need to find her though. Because if I, find it down here and put the queen excluder on then, so. Let's have a look.
Is that a new tool you bought?
No, I've had this for a while.
Simon?
So effectively what they do is they start to reduce. So where, for example, in the height of it, they're laying right to the end frame, aren't they? They start to all condense, and you want them to start to fill up the outer frames.
With honey. There's a queen.
Oh dear. Well, perhaps she swarmed.
Yeah.
Well, they're super.
The wigger hatched one.
That is hatched. Keep an eye out for a
New queen.
new queen. Better pull on that, that's for sure.
Yeah, I suppose in a way, really, if you've got a queen that is that you think is going to swarm, you might as well just squish her in a way, mightn't you? There
Yeah.
she is. Is that the queen?
Hey, well spotted, son. So she's a brand new one.
Yeah. Where is it?
There she is.
There she is, yeah. It's not a very big queen, really, is she?
No, but
Got a bit of ground to do.
she's not. That's good. Okay, well.
So, yeah, maybe you lost a few bees then when they swarmed again. But then that must have been swarming quite late.
I don't think they have swarmed, but I think they've superseded them, mate. I think they're
She's a bit screwed.
they're killed because actually I was. So fortunately, as I said, I thought when I brought her up, I thought she's going to be really good, and I put about 3 supers on.
Yeah.
weren't coming up. So I thought, and she weren't laying as much as some of the others. So I thought, well, okay, I'll just reduce it down to that 1 super, and then lo and behold, she could have a good possibility she was a duffer, because I don't think they're swarmed, because there's just too many bees. You got to remember that I see this queen a month ago, not this one. So that would have took time. So if they'd have swarmed, there'd be less bees. Do you see what I mean?
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Right.
There's no wind, is there? You won't kill any bees anyway.
So queen excluder on, and then I can. Where's the bloody?
What's up?
Terrible.
I left it right over there. Oh, you've got it.
Anyway.
So you just got to put a Clara board on,
Yeah,
so you
I'm
can.
going to clear.
Yeah,
There's no need to overwinter them on.
because that wouldn't a very full right at the bottom there, was it really?
But no, because I know the queen's down there.
Yeah.
Queen excluder on, clear a board. Because obviously if she was up in the super and I'd done this,
Oh, you'd kill her, wouldn't you?
there's, that's all gonna not be so good. So I can put that on. Put that on. So that's another good result. All right, I didn't get
Always
much
look at
honey.
these on the floor.
I didn't get much honey, but they're strong enough. New queen.
New queen, yeah, could be good, really good.
Just what it
next
is.
year, couldn't it?
Just what it is, mate, innit? There's nothing I can do about it.
Well, that's not really worth one of it, is it?
No, they're decent size though. So this one was was.
Hang on. I'm doing a video each one, remember?